This is 2021 and you might be wondering, what are the best free keyword research tools you can use out there? Well, in this tutorial you'll find answer to almost every one of them. I am listing out all the best out there for you, so which includes using Google search that you normally use every day, and Google Keyword Planner, Google Trends, Ahrefs, Ubersuggest, and Keyword Software. So let's get right into it. So the number one for my tutorial here is Google Keyword, google.com. Google.com is generally known. So now, how can I use google.com? As you can see, it shows I'm in my country, which I can easily change from here by going to search settings. When I get into the settings, then I can scroll down a bit and I'll change the region to probably US, or based on the country you are targeting. So if your keywords, most of your audience are coming, you want your audience to be coming from United States, you can easily change it that way. Then the preference is going to synchronize and it's going to change very easy like that. So now we are in general, so it's not Nigeria. It's perfectly okay now without me having a VPN. So now let's get started. Let's imagine we want to target something like best wireless, but we are kind of confused about what should we write on best wireless. So now we have different suggestion of best wireless stuff we can write about. Now we have full list of best wireless earbuds 2020, best wireless earphone, best gaming headset, best gaming mouse, different thing like that. So now let's go to best wireless router, or let's go for mouse. Now we can see now that it gives us another list of suggestions, which is best gaming for mouse, best wireless mouse gaming, wireless 2020 for MacBook Pro. These are what we call long tail keyword that is going to help you to narrow down the niche and go straight and easy to target. So you can use this. Let's go for this and see how much we can get from Google. So now this is the result. These are the top websites, but here it's called people also ask. These are related questions that you can also write about in your article, that you can also rank for straight up. You can copy all these questions while you are writing your article. You target them. Can you use the wireless mouse with Mac? What is the best mouse used? Different answer like that. And also when you scroll down to the end of the result, these are more keywords that you can target while writing your keyword. With this, you can get the best out of Google. Nothing more. Don't let anybody confuse you. You just have to know where you are going. Then you let the Google auto suggest do the remaining part for you. So it's very easy like that. With you just inputting the stuff here, then you have all your answers. So that's that. The next one is Google Keyword Planner. For you to get a Google Keyword Planner, you need Google account. So you need a Google account or Google Ads account. So it's very easy. You just have to search for it in search engine. So let's search for Google Keyword Planner. So the result is going to show up. Then you sign in immediately. So the number one answer here, which is this, then that's the answer to what you are looking for. So now this is it. You just have to sign in. So I've signed in this tab here. Very easy. So you can either discover new keyword, or you get the search volume or a forecast of a keyword. So you can connect a website. You can put a keyword, then put a website URL. So it's going to tell you your position and tell you how far, like list of the keywords that you've ranked for, and it's going to help you to rank well and gather more keywords. So let's imagine you're starting with a new keyword. You can just start with best, all these keywords under your website. So you don't need to do that. So just press get result. Here you don't need to put any keyword. You just have to put your website here. Is going to list out all the keyword you've ranked for. So that's for this. But this one, you can specify that okay, you want Google to check maybe your website is ranked for best wireless earbuds. So like on my one of my websites supposed to rank for it. Let me check garnet.com. So for me to show you the results, like how it actually work. So that's why I'm showing you that. So okay, so now these are list of thousands of keywords that you can actually rank for. You can rank for by yourself, and Google go to my website, and these are tons of keywords that I've already ranked for on that website, and it's giving me the results, keywords, ideas that I can work with. Understand what I'm trying to say? So now let's exclude the website and see generally. Without the website, maybe there's going to be more. Now it's 2,000 plus. It's 2,000 plus keywords related to the word best wireless earbuds. You understand? So now we can target best wireless earbuds 2020. So but there is difference in the competition here. So now you can see, well, so it shows high, which means a lot of people are running ads on this word. I means a lot of people, not just search, a lot of people are running ads, so the competition is high there, and this is the bid they are bidding for, something like that. And when you see something like medium, we're supposed to have a medium here. Okay, something like this. So now this is the search volume and it's medium, so it's still manageable. But if you keep doing your research, you get something small. I have a complete tutorial for all these keywords research tools. I explain in details each function of all these, so I'm just showing you that you can use all these tools. It's not exactly complete how to use them tutorial, understand? So this is still working and these are still the best. So the next one is Google Trend. So Google Trend is going to help you to understand how to rely on a keyword, maybe you should or not. So now for this example, I'm going to go for, okay, one of my websites is deepreview.net. So I'm thinking of writing a review for all web hosting out there. So what should I do? Okay, let me see. Bluehost. I want to write for Bluehost. Let's see, Bluehost company. Let's search for Bluehost. Let's see the result of how far people are searching for it. So now the Bluehost result is coming up. Okay, so now let's compare Bluehost with something like let's see, WP Engine. Okay, WP Engine. So let's see. Now you see, so now this is a very big difference. It's telling us that a lot of people have been searching for it for the past 12 months. So we can change it here. For the record, I'm in United States, so you can change it. You just have to change it there to United States. So now this is it. It shows that a lot of people are searching for Bluehost more than WP Engine. So now I know my priority. Now that okay, I have to go for Bluehost first before I write for WP Engine. It's not that some people are not searching for WP Engine, but tons of people are on searching for Bluehost more. So with that, I understand, and it's steady. All of them are steady. You understand? It's not that it drop. Maybe it's not seasonal. It's not something that goes out of date like all these event days. So let's search for something like GoDaddy. So to balance this up. So now let's see what GoDaddy have for us. So now you've seen it. Now GoDaddy beats all of them. But if you check well, it's 100%. It's in 100 level here, but it keeps coming down, and now what's left is around 67. And let's check. Okay, for Bluehost it's 6, and now it's 7. So it sends a signal to us that okay, Bluehost is still balanced, but GoDaddy keeps coming down. It's not that it's not getting the traffic, it's still getting the traffic, but it's kind of going down slowly. So we have to put that in mind while we are doing our research. So now if you are targeting something like a Valentine, you see let me exclude all this keyword. Okay, remove. Okay, we don't even have to do that. So let's see. So now Valentine event day only happen once in a year. So now this is it. This is it. So it only spark up. A lot of people search about it this time in the year. This time in the year. So now, but if you check all the keywords that we are targeting, they are kind of balanced. They are straight line. So this is going to help you to focus on the keyword. So if you come up with a keyword idea before you actually write or start spending more on the keyword, you have to check maybe it's not a keyword that is going to go back or spoil or run out of date maybe in the next coming year. So you just have to put that in mind. So now outside Google, another keyword I actually do use, it's Ahrefs keywords tools. Ahrefs kind of expensive, but they have free users in mind, so they have all this stuff to help us, like we free guys, to generate more keywords. So I'm using this for this example. So I've opened it here in this tab, and they have other things too, like Bing keyword research tools and keyword rank checker, keyword difficulty checker. This is going to help you a lot to know how difficult the keyword is. So for this example, I'm just going to go with their keyword generator, which is this. Then I'll just put best wireless earbuds. So best wireless earbuds is here, and we search, then we check the security check. I'm not a robot. They gave us 100 keyword. If you check under the question, they are going to give us 50 questions related to this. So for free, unless we want more results or we need more data. These are different keywords ideas that you can. And their search volume, as you can see, we have the search volume here. Now they tell us that okay, this keyword difficulty is 76, so you got to run. You understand? So keywords best wireless earbuds under best wireless earbuds under 50, best wireless earbuds for iPhone. You understand? So now for someone like me, my website, I'm ranking for this keyword best wireless earbuds under 50. So it's kind of cool. You understand everything, you know how difficult the keyword is. Then before you go for it, you understand that okay, this is hard, I have to run. So under 30, difficulty is still okay for a new website. If your authority is not over 70, just be careful. So now you can work with that, you can work with this. This is Ubersuggest by Neil Patel. Well, he's my mentor, so I have to list it too. So I kind of like the guy, the way he plays himself, the way he work hard. So that's why I'm putting this. I like the tools in the beginning, but eventually he started implementing some money part in it, which I see is kind of cool. It's part of the strategy, you understand? So he designed the website in a way I love it. He keep adding features, so he has spent a lot on this project, guys. So that's why I'm doing this, just to appreciate his efforts. So in this page, he designed it for free in the beginning. That's what he told us. Like, I'm in his group, so he said it's going to be free totally. But now, if you insist that you want more features from him, then you have to pay a little dime that no one out there, no company out there is kind of no company can do that, believe me. So if you have the money, you can actually get it, you understand? So let's just see what is going to give us. So my guy, what do you have for us? Let's see the result ASAP. So Neil Patel is a very good guy. You can follow him. You can, I'll link to his YouTube channel in the description also. So okay, the result is loading up, and see, register for free. You need to register, which is connecting your Google account, you understand? And now you only have 2 or 3 free daily search, understand? Or you go for the 7 days free trial. And what else again? There are more pop-ups that I'm supposed to see. I'm still going to see a banner, other kind of stuff. That okay, as I said about something about pop-up, as you can see, so you get all these like almost every time you visit the website. So don't be pissed I know you are pissed about that. Well, don't be pissed, just get rid of it. So now this is it. The keyword difficulty is 73 here, and I think it's 76 here, kind of close. So now this is very high, he said. So and it's going to give you, okay, you need something like 435 backlinks, and your domain score must be 88. I was like 70 something the other time. So this guy is genius. So he implements something like Ahrefs results and similar web features, boss zoom features. So if you scroll down a bit here, you are going to see all this Facebook share, Pinterest share of that same, of everyone that has already written for that same keyword, their backlinks, the keywords, how many more keywords you can see from this. So he perfectly craft it here, and you can actually get it almost free. Like, it's not much. It's something that you have to pay for, maybe Ahrefs for a month, and you are getting it here for like lifetime or a year, I think. So this tool is very okay, and these are the keyword results here. So I think it's going to give us like 50 keywords or something that we can see for free, and before he start selling us out, you understand. So these are the keywords that I recommend for us. So before we get to the 7 days trial, so I can't actually see it well, I don't know. So exports, you can export them, so but you must you know. So that's how it goes, guys. So now let's go to the I think almost the last one. So now this is a Chrome extension that I like. Its name is keyword software. I'm using keyword everywhere before, but you know, now we're free, guys. So immediately this guy is just, I think it's $1. So immediately it converts itself to premium. I switched to this, but I think this keyword everywhere is better, so that's why I put it inside the keyword software here. It's not, the keyword everywhere is kind of better, but you can use keyword software too. So this is how it's going to work. So you search for a keyword, best let's see, best wireless, and okay, let's do it this way. So keyword software is going to be there in your search results, this side, you see. So it's here, it's going to automatically suggest more keywords for you, and you can use those keywords. Oh, they've added more features. So now you can see the traffic, you can see words, you can see more keywords, and the positioning, you understand. So you just have to connect it. I can help you to link it in the comments if you ask for it. So the result is still coming up. I think my network is slow today, guys, so that's just it. So those are all the things that I think it's going to be okay for you to start getting different tons of keywords out there for free. So if you enjoyed the video, a thumbs up, which is a like, is going to be okay from you. I will appreciate that. And also, if you do not like it, just put the thumbs down, or what you want me to record in my videos. And also, as I said earlier, I have a complete course on Udemy, which is not costly, so it's just $10, I think. So Udemy do cut prices, don't worry. So in the tutorial, I explain in details every one of these tools, every one of them in details, how you can use them to get your focus keyword, especially when you are starting a niche website from scratch. So it's very important, and all the keyword density, keyword difficulty, the explanation are in the course. So I'll appreciate it if you can also take the course now. So stay tuned, guys, for more videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you don't, oh my god, I'm going to feel bad, you know. Thank you.